Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the activation and settings of both the Comments and Reviews apps in Gridbox. Since these two apps share almost identical functionality and configuration options, we'll cover them together in this tutorial series instead of creating separate videos. Whenever there are differences between Comments and Reviews, we'll point them along the way. Otherwise, the setup process is the same for both applications. Before you can use comments and reviews on your website, the corresponding apps must be activated. From the Gridbox dashboard, open the Apps section. Locate the Comments and Reviews apps, then publish them. Please note that the Comments and Reviews apps are available only with an active Gridbox subscription. After activation, new navigation icons will appear in the Gridbox admin sidebar, providing quick access to both applications from anywhere in the panel. You'll also see two new widgets on the Gridbox dashboard. These widgets display the latest comments and reviews submitted on your website, allowing you to quickly monitor recent user activity. To access the comments settings, from the Gridbox dashboard, click the Comments icon in the navigation panel. This will open the Comments Management page. To access settings, click the Settings icon. Please note, the Reviews app uses the same settings interface, so the configuration process is identical for both applications. The Basic tab contains the main settings that control how comments and reviews behave on your website. Submissions pre-moderation requires new submissions to be approved before they become publicly visible. IP tracking records the IP address of users who submit comments or reviews. Attachments allows users to upload files with their comments or reviews. Allowed file types specifies which file formats can be uploaded with comment. Max upload file size defines the maximum file size for attachments. The Notifications tab allows you to configure email notifications. Author Notifications sends an email to the blog post author when a new comment or review is submitted. User Notifications sends an email when someone replies to a user's comment, helping keep conversations active. The Admins tab allows you to configure comment and review moderators. Admin Label defines the label displayed for moderators. Admins allows you to select one or more registered Joomla users who will act as moderators for comments and reviews. The anti-spam options help protect your website from spam submissions. Google reCAPTCHA enables spam protection for comments and reviews. Note, before using this option, Google reCAPTCHA must be configured in the Gridbox Integrations section. Only for guests shows reCAPTCHA only for guest users, while logged-in users can submit without additional verification. The Spam Filters section provides additional tools for preventing unwanted submissions. You can configure banned emails, block submissions from specific email addresses, banned words, blocks comments or reviews containing specific words or phrases. Banned IP addresses, blocks submissions from specific IP addresses. Block links, prevents users from posting links in comments or reviews. Auto-deleting, automatically removes content detected as spam. These filters can be combined to create a strong anti-spam system while maintaining normal user activity. If you switch to the Reviews application, you'll see an identical interface with the same settings and options. The Comments and Reviews apps share the same interface and settings, making them easy to configure and manage. Once set up, they give you full control over user submissions, moderation, and spam protection across your website. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.